In the dark, my heart aches and the drowsy numbness pains my senses, though of hemlock I had drunk, or emptied some dull opiate to the drains. 1 minute passed and left few words as sunk. 'Tis not through envy of thy happy lot, but being too happy in thine happiness, that thou, light-winged dryad of the trees, in some melodious plot of beach and green and shadows numberless, singest of summer in full-throated ease. And I drift toward your voice as the borders of the world turn soft. Sing on, nightingale, carry me where sorrow cannot stay. Your song is like starlight on my skin, your song is like water over pain. Sing on, nightingale, lift me from the weight of day. Let your echo bloom inside my mind, a silver dream that will not fade. Oh, for a draught of vintage that have been cooled a long age in the deep delved earth, tasting a floor in the country green, dance and proving cool song and sunburn mirth. Oh, for a beaker full of the warm south, full of the true, the blushful hippocrene, with beaded bubbles winking at the brim and purple stained mouth, that I might drink and leave the world unseen, and with thee fade away into the forest dim. Let me fade with your wings, where time falls quiet as dusk. Sing on, nightingale, carry me where sorrow cannot stay. Your song is like starlight on my skin, your song is like water over pain. Sing on, nightingale, lift me from the weight of day. Let your echo bloom inside my mind, a silver dream that will not fade. Away, away, we're fly to thee, not charioted by Bacchus and his parties, but on the viewless wings of poesy. Already with thee tender is the night, and haply the queen moon is on her throne, clustered around by all her starry face. Sing on, immortal bird, your song no hungry generations tread. Your voice flows through the midnight leaves, where even grief forgets its name. Sing on.